Thanks for clicking on, y'all. On today's menu will be my delicious meatless cabbage. I'm going to show you guys how I make this cabbage where you will think it is meat in it, and there is absolutely none. This is my award-winning cabbage. Now, y'all, if this video helps you, can you please go back, give me a thumbs up, subscribe. Don't forget to press all and hit that bell. All right, y'all, I will see y'all in just a minute. Now pay close attention to all that I do so you can go and make this cabbage. All right, I will be back. Please enjoy the video. Y'all, we have come to the end of another DOZZY'S video. Now y'all go on ahead and go back. Don't forget to like if this video helped you and subscribe. Don't forget to press that bell and hit all so you can get notifications of whenever I do another video. Now y'all go on ahead and stay safe. Get your little recipe together for your cabbage and enjoy. Don't forget to wash your hands and leave your shoes at that door. All right, y'all come on with me. Join me as I ride out here in these sticks, okay? And I see y'all on the next video. All right, now I got to go. I am out. Ride with me.